Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the first 2022 video. And what's better to kick off things than the Galaxy S22 leaks? Not just any leaks, we are looking at the official stuff right now. Some officially made press renders of the S22, S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra are leaked, giving us a proper look of the colors and the design, as well as some interesting detail about the device we didn't know before. But first, let's talk about the official trailer that has been arrived for the AMD Exynos 2200 announcement. Yes, finally Samsung has made it official that they are going to be announcing the big gain in terms of GPU in their upcoming processor, which is going to be made official on January 11. It's going to be an improvement in terms of GPU as compared to the CPU performance. This new GPU inside the Exynos 2200 will have an RDNA 2 architecture. In case if you don't know, the RDNA 2 architecture is available in Xbox, PlayStation, as well as next generation of PC gaming graphics. Well, basically this RDNA 2 architecture will bring some massive game in terms of gaming in the mobile industry. So definitely this is going to be a great improvement. It has some interesting things which are coming, like its performance will be delivered by a nodes and it will consume less power. Also, there is going to be enhanced gaming visual as well, like the ray tracing is going to be coming for the first time in the mobile devices. And obviously there are some other more stuff is coming alongside with that. So all this means that this new processor will be going to be coming officially in the Samsung Galaxy S22 series, which is going to be a massive improvement in terms of Samsung Exynos processor. And moving forward, we have some official press render that has been arrived for the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the S22 and S22 Plus. Well, we have 4 different color options that has been arriving in the official press renders, which indicates that we are going to see a white, green, burgundy and a black color option for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And surprisingly, this is going to be for the first time we are seeing from the last 3 years that Samsung will be bringing 4 different color options for their S22 Ultra model. And here's are the official press renders for the Galaxy S22, S22 Plus that are also coming with different color options. And guys, not only the color option and the design of the back has been coming for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, we also have a side look for the Galaxy S22 series, which probably giving us a good detail about the camera bump that is going to be coming in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And looking at that images, you will immediately notice that the camera bump on the backside is going to be even slimmer than the Galaxy S20 Ultra, which has a massive camera bump on the backside. To be honest, Samsung guys has made tremendous improvement in terms of camera bump shrinking. So definitely this is going to be a big improvement from Samsung side in terms of design. So guys, overall I am definitely super excited about the Galaxy S22 series. Again, a happy new year for all you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel because some amazing content is coming on this channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.